All right, for science today, our teaching point says we will review landforms and bodies of water. So let's take a closer look at them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link, landforms. An area of water bordered by land on three sides is called a bay. You can see the illustrations. A gulf is a part of the ocean or sea that is partly surrounded by land. It is usually larger than a bay. Again, look at the illustrations. A peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is bordered on three sides by water. Delta, where the mouth of a river flows into an ocean, sea, lake, or another river. Isthmus, a narrow strip of land that is bordered on two sides of water and connects two larger land masses. A strait. A strait is a narrow body of water that connects two larger bodies of water. A lake. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land on all sides. A mountain is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain. A mountain is generally steeper than a hill. A hill is a raised area or mound of land. Plains are flat lands that have only small changes in elevation. A plateau is a large, flat area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. A river is a large, flowing body of water that usually empties into a sea or ocean. A waterfall is when a river runs off or falls off steeply, and that becomes a waterfall. A fjord. A fjord is a long, narrow sea inlet that is bordered by steep cliffs. A valley is a low place between mountains. A glacier is a slowly moving river of ice. I probably won't say this correctly. It's a group or chain of islands clustered together in a sea or ocean. Archipelago is what I think it's called. A sea is a large body of salty water that is often connected to an ocean. A sea may be partly or completely surrounded by land. An ocean is a large body of salt water that surrounds a continent. Oceans cover more than 2/3 of the Earth's surface. And that's it for the slideshow. Let's go back to our slides. So now, before I give you your assignment for today, we're going to take a look at the rest of the week beforehand. So tomorrow, which is Tuesday, again, there's going to be no live streaming, so you will not get on Teams. You still need to be logged in no later than 7:30. That way you are not counted tardy. Recorded lessons are going to be on the Tuesday's task page, just like they were today. So make sure you view the videos and then you complete your assignments. Wednesday, there's actually no school. It's a holiday. It's Veterans Day. So make sure you tell a veteran thank you for your service. Then Thursday, we will be back to normal. You will log onto Teams and we will be back to our regular schedule. Friday, same thing. It's going to be a normal Friday where all your work, you go to the Canvas button and click on Friday and make sure to complete everything. Make sure that you do your attendance by 7:30, otherwise you will be counted tardy. All right, so now you're going to work on your class kick assignment. It's called 11-9 Mountains, and that is in class kick. If you finish before your time is up in science, make sure that you go back and complete everything that needs to be completed, and then look back at the schedule to see what you need to be doing next.